Capcom is officially reigning as the king of modern video game remakes. Following the massive success of their revamped Resident Evil franchise, new rumors suggest the next title lineup. According to a fresh leak, the original Devil May Cry is finally getting a ground-up remake treatment. This iconic franchise is well overdue for a massive comeback. It has been 7 long years since the release of Devil May Cry 5 back in 2019. Fans have been starving for more hack-and-slash action. The leak originally surfaced on Reddit, before quickly gaining serious traction across major global tech and gaming outlets. The source goes by the handle Stiviwonder. While Stiviwonder is relatively new, the report carries massive weight, thanks to an endorsement from a huge industry heavy hitter. Noted insider Dusk Golem vouched for them. Dusk Golem holds an incredibly strong track record for Capcom internal projects. They officially categorize Stiviwonder as a highly reliable source for inside information. A remake aligns perfectly with corporate strategy. Capcom has perfected the art of rebuilding classic titles from the ground up using their proprietary RE engine. This is the exact same high-performance tech used in Resident Evil 4 Remake. Applying this to Mallet Island would be an absolute visual slam dunk. The original game launched all the way back in 2001 on the PlayStation 2. While the combat laid a solid foundation, the mechanics are aged. Its fixed camera angles, tank-adjacent movement, and structural pacing are undeniably dated compared to modern gaming standards. A complete overhaul is completely necessary. There is another major structural factor. The acclaimed Devil May Cry 5 director, Hideaki Itsuno, has recently moved on to other massive projects like Dragon's Dogma 2. A remake allows Capcom to keep their flagship action intellectual property alive. They can generate high profits without requiring a years-long conceptual undertaking for a sequel. A ground-up remake means revisiting Dante's Gothic investigation of Mallet Island. We will experience his iconic rivalry with Nilo Angelo, with completely modernized combat flow. Players will fight classic boss encounters against Phantom and Mundus, running at over 60 frames per second. Capcom has not issued an official statement just yet. With major global gaming showcases right around the corner, fans should keep their eyes glued to the monitors. Stay tuned for more, and subscribe to never miss a tech beat.